Welcome to the Tennis Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please just click the subscribe button and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Eitada. This is the Tennis Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus First Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Sibanye 2, Nedbank Cup. Yeah, I'm with the craziest fan. Yeah, Mamelodi Sundowns. My brother, are you good?
Yeah.
Osalo aloro for real.
Ay, now you get follow.
Clever. Otshabile go Vescopies. How do you feel about the game tonight?
That's fine. I don't December go tala. To wa kitsi umba. To wa sinjaza nako ba. Hey, next time PSL ke tsaba one day mo. Wa twa ke Sibanye.
Wa papa because of Korile 5 goals.
First time 5 7 27 what. Hey man, remember to one need man. O Sibanye ke dio man.
O nyaka bo mang?
Batho ba lente mo PS ba re compete le bona mo
agere na hangara ba ofe Chiefs dora swanne agere ba ofe
Chiefs Sibanye ya tswana bila
so how lebeletse ke nalo ke bone coach ra lena on a serious note coach ra lena ona lo wina kancanca sometimes 1 goal 2 goals and all that tonight to correlate goals and then how do you feel about that in terms of like
okay, there's this thing about Sundowns there.
Yeah.
Sundowns playing good football last year.
Yeah.
They've been saying Sundowns is playing good football. They are not what. I mean, everybody was criticizing Sundowns.
Yeah. I get it.
Yeah, it was a good
so
team.
you must be criticized. I get it. Koloi mtsai ho bula koloi e tsamaya.
I want to ask South Africans now. What do they want from Sundowns?
What do you want from Sundowns?
Yeah, you South Africa. What do you want from Sundowns? Because last year we were playing, they were criticizing. This year we are scoring, we are winning, they are criticizing.
Yeah.
What these people, I don't know what they want from Sundowns.
Guys,
Okay, sharp. Okay, I'll coach Sundowns next time, ne? I'll coach Sundowns. Then you can criticize Sundowns. But now, me, let me tell you something. If I coach Sundowns, I'll play like the way Rilani, the way Pizzo, the way Manova, the way the current coach is coaching.
Beautiful. Shushan and Piano. Thanks, my brother.
So stop criticizing Sundowns. We know how Sundowns play. We want results.
Yeah.
Elena, you must concentrate on your team.
And no, Mamelodi Sundowns.
You know this spring. This is this spring. Where were you? The time of
Thank you so much, Pedro. Thank you very much for supporting the channel. Please make sure that you click the subscribe button and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Yeah. Oh, yellow.